Lovevery just launched their new music kit and I am so excited to tell you guys about it. Honestly, this is one box that I would not miss out on. When Lovevery first reached out to me about sending me their new music box, I was expecting something along the lines of the Melissa and Doug music collection, maybe some maracas, a triangle, at most maybe a drum, but this box is so much more than that. The music box is designed for ages 18 months to over 4 years old, and it comes with real instruments that make learning to play music easy. It uses the pentatonic scale, which are 5 notes that always sound good together. The first instrument is the simple concertina. It's an accordion-like instrument that plays in 2 C major chords, and it works on bilateral coordination by pulling and pressing the instrument back together. The next instrument is the color tab pan flute. This flute is designed so it's easy for small hands and for children to use. Children can learn to blow and practice breath control with the color-coded ribbons, which show your child which note is being played. The next instruments are the loud and quiet stackable shakers. These shakers stack, roll, tap, and shake, and I could see these being a big hit with younger toddlers, but it's also a great way to introduce the difference between the quiet and loud percussion instruments to children of all ages. Next, we have the jingle bracelet with wooden handle. This is a percussion instrument that you can shake on the wooden handle, or you can slip it off to wear it around your wrist or your ankles. One of the things that sets this Lovevery music set apart from others is the inclusion of a real working metronome. I love how the metronome uses animals to help children understand the difference between speeds and provides a fun and reliable way to understand tempo. The metronome has 8 animals that represent the different speeds, and it also has a green light that blinks to the tempo. And Lovevery also includes batteries in their kit, so you are ready to go right out of the box.
Now we can build so fast.
Our favorite instrument in the kit is the Pentatonic Bells. These bells are in notes C, D, E, G, and A, and the bells can be removed from the color-coded wooden base for individual play. Because the bells use a pentatonic scale, the 5 notes always sound harmonious when played together. And as a parent, I really appreciate this because it's not only just easy on my ears, but being able to play something that sounds good helps to build excitement and confidence. While all of these musical instruments were exciting to play on their own, what tied everything together was this rhythm and songs book that came in the kit. The book helps to introduce the fundamentals of music to your child and make learning rhythm and patterns easy and fun. I don't have a background in music, but with this book, you don't have to know how to read music to be able to introduce your child to the fundamentals of music. Because the notes are matched by color and letters, it's really easy to follow along. My kids' favorite part of the book was the color matching song cards that they include in the back of the book. My kids were able to play songs right away by color matching the notes on the instruments to the notes on the cards. There is also a section in the book where you can create your own music, which allows for even more exploration and creativity. And of course, I can't forget to mention the play guide. In this play guide, you can find expert tips and ways to play that are grouped by age. Each section breaks down your child's development and how to incorporate music into playtime with fun, age-appropriate games and activities. This music kit would make the perfect gift for children of all ages. So if you're interested in purchasing this music kit or learning more about it, I will include the links in the description box below. As always, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing because I make motherhood and Montessori related content just like this every week on my channel. I'll see you in my next video.